Any man pro on the beats.
I hear the crowds from the swamps and wetlands. I see depletion of water catchment areas. This practice is dangerous. It's the cause of catastrophes. The constant famine and very long droughts. Takes a lot of rain when it does, we get floods. Mountains falling and causing landslides. At the end of the day, we're all losing lives. Millions of plastic trash we're throwing around. The grass that we buy missing out the fatherland. We gotta deal with this problem at hand. What do you think? Don't you agree? What have you done to save the green? What can you do to leave the air clean? Before got a tree, grow 1, 2 or 3. The earth need to breathe so we can eat.
What have we done? Look what we've done. No. What can we do? What is the plan? No. Ring the way. Because of these problems, we could save the day. We could solve it. Nature to the universe, we're batting the feeder, the feeders. Okay, today what about the future? These disasters, the self-destruction, the pollution, environmental degradation. What have we done? What have we done? Look how we've done. What can we do? What can we do? What is the plan? No, ring the way. Because of this problem, we could save the day. We could solve it.
We need to change our thinking before nature starts sinking. Our water for drinking is on the verge of extinction. Chemical gases in the air we can barely breathe in. Look the ditch we're digging for the future generation. So before you litter, before the problem becomes much more bigger, let's save these rivers. We can change the past, but we can do something about the future. We can do something about the future. We can do something about the future.
What have we done? What have we done? Look how we've done. Look how we've done. What can we do? What can we do? What is the plan? What is the plan? Ring the way. Because of this problem, we could save the day. We could save the day. We could solve it. A nation that destroys its soils destroys itself. Forests are the lungs of our land, purifying the air and giving fresh strength to our people.